Hello everyone, Cryptodesh here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to step by step farm or stake the KuAcorn KuCoin LP to earn KuAcorn. So first what you gotta do is you gotta have KuAcorn KuCoin. So in this case I already have KuAcorn KuCoin. And how do you do this? So it's very easy. You gotta have KuAcorn and KuCoin separate. Then you go to the add liquidity tab and then KuCoin above and KuAcorn below, and then you can just put in any amount you want, press supply button, and then you will get this. After we go to this site, we just go to the KuS pools right here. Just gonna do it here, and then go to the stake tokens button. So this is for the solo staking, and we also have the stake tokens. Here we have tokens like 2 tokens, because KuAcorn and KuCoin are 2 tokens. Then you gotta press approve. So yeah, I already pressed approve, but you gotta just press approve, and then once that's done, you gotta press the plus sign and max, and then confirm. After that, you gotta just wait a tiny bit, and once like 5-10 seconds you're in the pool, you're actually farming KuAcorn. You're getting daily KuAcorn. A lot of people have been asking, okay, but why don't we get why don't we get KuSwap, or why don't we get KuCoin? Guys, it's a partnership with KuAcorn. KuAcorn has, of course, has a partnership because it's a first ID of KuSwap, and they gave KuSwap tokens to put in the pools and the farms, or put in the LP pools and the solo farms. That's how the partnership works. Same with Cake. It's not gonna be like stake this token, earn Cake. No, it's always stake Cake and earn this token. But as you guys see, the APR goes down, 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 because a lot of people want to get in this. There's already a total of 59,000 guys staked, and in the pool, let's see how much is in the pool. At the solo pool, the total is 22,500. Okay, that's still alright. That's still alright. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you have any question at all, please leave them down in the comments. I'll react to anything. And thank you guys. Bye everyone.